Unsure about your job changes, business decisions, financial planning, facing career delays, fear of wrong decision, or constant financial stress? All of this becomes easier to handle when tarot highlights the guidance you need and numerology aligns with the right path, helping you to take the confident steps towards growth and stability. Hi, I'm Shomil Chauhan and I hold a master's degree in numerology, tarot and vastu science. In my sessions, I provide unique combination of tarot insights and numerology directions to help you identify your blocks, understand opportunities, and apply practical remedies so that you can experience progress in your career and improvement in your finances. So book your consultation today on the displayed WhatsApp number and get the clarity, direction, and healing remedies you have been looking for both career and finances.